walking back and forth. Well, the sound change from the cave to outside the cave is like really dramatic.
Mm-hmm.
Like, goes from being like, there's waterfalls in the distance to, you're in a cave!
Yeah. And once we kill the Hydra, we could, take the back way up and kill Sif without spending 20,000 souls.
You're right. I just feel so bad killing Sif.
I know. He's a...
I hate that you have to kill him.
Yeah. I wish you could, like, I don't know, like, trick the game, almost. Like, get in there and then Homer bone out.
Yeah.
Just take the Artorias ring and... Or if you could get the Artorias ring by going through... Like, trading the soul of Artorias to Kieran.
That would, like, the way I would have done it is that you would go into Sif and you'd, like, offer up the soul of Artorias and he'd take it, he'd give you the ring.
Sif has too much honor to let that slide.
And this is Dark Souls.
Yes.
Okay, so let's take care of these golems.
Hey, golem. No, no! Oh, thank you. Why is this not doing any damage?
Whoa, watch out!
Yeah, okay. I'm safe. Oh, I aggroed one.
Let the water hit them if you can.
This is low damage. Back up, back up.
Yeah, it seems we should be doing more damage these days. Ouch.
Can we backstab?
No, you can't.
No! Oh, can I have your sunlight metal?
Oh, right. I'm not used to navigating some of these things. Drop. There you go.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, so best strategy is actually let the Hydras take care of these golems.
Yeah. But if we're doing this little damage to the, Alright, to the golems, how, whoa. No, how in the...
Oh, shit, man.
Oh,
God.
Okay.
I'm just going to go back to the bonfire. Oh, it'll reset those bastards, yes, but I'd rather be at full conditioning to fight the Hydra. That's sort of how I play Dark Souls, is like, if I take a millimeter of health,
you just run back to the bonfire.
Heal, and get it right the next time.
Yeah, that's,
I guess obsessive-compulsive is the term.
Yeah, the technical term. Wait, that weighs less than my pants?
In your life, did you ever think you were going to utter that phrase?
I'm being summoned. Nice. Oh, wait, that weighs less than my pants. Huh. No, that is a, that's a new one.
Any other type of armor? No. I have no good armor right now.
Yeah, it's always weird when you get Havel's ring and then no armor to like, take advantage of it.
I just know my favorite thing was getting, like, all this ridiculous, like, light armor, putting on Havel's ring, then the cartwheel ring, and just rolling around like crazy.
Yeah. One of my builds, I have Havel's pants, and the Havel's ring, and the ninja flip ring, so I'm, like, wearing, like, Havel's pants and just, like, flipping around. It's pretty cool.
Let's take this one on the left first, or you could aggro the one on the right.
I could, couldn't I? Yeah. We'll split up. I'll take this guy, you take that guy.
No, that's probably a bad idea considering how little damage we were doing.
Nope. No. I think we aggroed 2 of them. No!
Get out of there, get out of there.
I'm out. I just hope I don't roll into that tree. Screw it.
Got one.
Got the other one.
I'm sorry. Did you have a lightning bolt of death on standby?
Yes, I did. I was saving them for the Hydra.
How many of those do you have?
10, 9 now. So,
Those are good to save for the Hydra. Okay, incoming.
yeah. Okay, we got 2.
Yes.
I'm lightning.
Just keep pulling them back. You can lightning 1, just leave it at that.
Perfect. Okay, good.
Okay, so do you know the trick with the Hydra?
Get close to it and let its heads come in?
Yep. Essentially just...
Yeah. Plus I have a ranged attack, so it's,
Wait. Finally,
No!
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I just...
Oh god! Hydra actually hit me. God, this is gonna be monotonous. Save the lightning.
No! Shit! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Why? Why? Switch to my goddamn sword! Switch to the sword. Switch to the... Okay. I'd heal if I were you. Oh, I got hit.
How bad?
Halfway. I'm healing. Oh, good, he missed me.
I just feel so bad for this Hydra.
Yeah, what's its story? Is it just like, you know, there?
I mean, yeah, I've wondered that myself. But, like, it just sits here, and I have to wonder, like, it's so ineffective at close range.
Hey,
shit.
Whoa, where's my... Oh.
That was no.
Oh, my frame rate. Okay, so he's starting to do his pattern where none of the heads are anywhere near you.
That's where the lightning comes in.
Okay, I'm gonna give him one more attempt at trying to actually... There we go.
Got that hit. 3 hits left. It's that one that comes across the side that we have to worry about the most. It's the most important. It does that, of all things.
Was that
I
it?
think I killed it.
Alright, good.
Dragon Scale and Dusk Crown.
Dusk Crown Ring? That's not right. So does the gold golem spawn over here already?
Yes, I believe it spawns immediately.
Okay, let's go kill that.
Extra sorcery cast screens, but halves HP.
No, I want the Dusk Crown from the antiquated set. And I hope you don't have to kill Seath before you get that. Oh wait, we need to bonfire, don't we?
Why?
Well, let's check it out.
Stupid water in my panties.
So we're gonna kill Sif for the butterfly.
Butterfly.
All right, butterfly.
Doesn't really do anything, but it does get a boss out of the way.
Oh wait, isn't that where the holy ember is?
I think it might be. I know there's some ember it protects.
Yeah. Because the occult ember is in the painted world, so we're gonna have to get the peculiar doll before.
We had the Anna Orlando.
Yeah.
But we do not kill Priscilla.
You don't kill Priscilla. I've only killed her once, and that was when I was trying to get her tail.
She is so fluffy.
Yes. Oh, I guess we're bonfiring.
One moment. Sorry about that.
Yeah, me too. Also, I died.
I died. How did we die? Where did we die?
I stopped paying attention, but I had aggroed a plant dude, and he got me with his grab attack when I finally started noticing it, and then he killed me.
I was too late. He suffered a painful death.
Okay, yeah, this guy killed me last time. Revenge.
There it is, I think. Yep, that's it.
Cool.
Summoning. Girl in panties.
Yes, well, I'm actually wearing like a, you know, the hollow skirt now, so. That's one thing about Dark Souls 2. They had like actual armor that looked like an outfit, and not just armor that looked like, you know, armor.
Well, I don't know. I mean, when you're making armor, you don't exactly need to accessorize.
Yeah.
Oh!
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
What?
That's bullshit.
Oh.
Let's just deal with this ambush. LOL!
Shit.
Like a ball. So hey, blood monster. No, blood red monster.
So now we
Now what do we do?
oh, we dressed it at the bonfire. The red dude, the crystal golem with Dusk. It should be back now.
Oh, good point. That's gonna be a bit of a slog. Okay. I hope you're ready to edit some of this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, this is 2 hours long already. This will be edited severely. We are already farther than my other Let's Play series in Dark Souls.
Well, that's because you guys are drinking all the time.
Yeah. Also, he's never played before. That's his first time going through Dark Souls. And the last one we recorded, is Edward 40 hands. I've got my my left hand on the controller and a 40 in my right hand. He's got his right hand on the controller and a 40 in his left.
Wow.
Yeah. And we're trying to play Dark Souls that way. And we're at Quelleg right now.
You're what right now?
We're at Quelleg. We are trying. Yeah, Quelog, Kellogg's.
I can see her on the front of a box.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't just fall. Okay, good.
No, I'm perfectly fine. Like 300 feet. I'm okay. Pretty sure those weren't my legs breaking. I'm pretty sure I just landed on some celery.
Yeah.
Leather boots. Less defense, but way less weight.
Well, don't you have Havel's ring? Shouldn't
Yes.
weight not really be an issue?
Oh, I just want a slightly faster dodge.
Oh, Havel's ring didn't really help you at all. Well, I guess you would be fat rolling right now.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Wait for me. I'm slow as balls.
I'm waiting.
Alright. Let's, There you are, you bastard. Let's move towards him at a moderate pace.
Yes.
A slow standoff.
Oh, was that it?
Yep. Oh shit, you end up killing her.
I didn't do damage to her, did I?
No.
Okay, good.
Who names a Jota Dusk?
I guess someone named Elizabeth.
Yeah, you can help me. Going to fade away, away. Kinda sucks that she's technically dead.
Yeah. She is? I
Yeah,
mean, because I guess you can kill her, so she has to be, like, in that in-between stage of...
Find her corpse.
Oh, yeah, that's...
Right next to the portal to the DLC.
Yeah, I'm dumb. She is dead.
Like,
well, it was
a kingdom that's like thousands of years old.
Yeah.
Which...
Oh, wait, I can't even touch that summon sign, can I?
Nope. Oh, that's right, you can't buy the miracles. I just did all that work for nothing.
No, I don't need the miracles. I need the, she's actually a spell merchant, which is strange.
Okay,
We made a mistake.
we made a horrible, horrible mistake. Okay, you take that one, I'll take these three.
Oh, crap. I'm in the water. I'm fucked. Okay.
No, these guys are rather slow. Just gotta stay ahead of them.
Okay.
Oh shit. Also pay attention to them. Not pay attention to them. That's bad. Okay, one of us can aggro two of them, the other one can take care of the rest. Your aim was perfect. That was brilliant.
No! I need to heal. I aggroed two.
Okay. It's actually probably the best considering you do the most damage out between the two of us.
Yes.
Oh, backhand me with a freaking...
I'm coming.
That's timing.
I'm coming.
Jesus Christ, that does so much damage.
I know, it's you're not I mean, you don't think you're supposed to have 25 in any particular stat this close to the beginning of the game.
Okay, I'm summoning Dusk. What do you need me to buy for you?
I don't think I need you to buy anything. I think you need to summon her and do the conversation here so that her antiquated set appears the next time we hit a bonfire. So yeah.
A long-ass ladder.
Yeah.
Who the fuck built this thing? I mean, like...
Yeah, how do you, like...
What? It doesn't have any segments in it. It doesn't have any segments at all. It's one flush ladder.
Yeah, that was like a giant tree.
Oh.
What? Okay, so I got summon. So you can summon for Darkroot, and it's basically only for wee splinters.
Oh God! I'm wearing gloves.
I'm not even wearing shoes.
Gloves don't help when there are pegs sticking out of the damn thing.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just make sure the antiquated set's not just back there, you know, laughing at us.
I'm gonna start heading back to the campfire in Darkroot Gardens.
Okay.
You can kill yourself.
And I died.
Good. No one liked you anyway.